Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the next topic of chapter 8, that is cell structure and function. And the topic is cell wall. In previous video, you have read about the plastids and their types, that is leucoplast, that is colorless plastid, chromoplast means colored plastid, and chloroplast, that is green color plastids. Today I will discuss about the next topic, that is cell wall. Cell wall is a structure which is only found in plant cell. So we can say cell wall is only found in plant cell, and cell wall is present in all types of plants, either lower plants or higher plants. You know about the microorganisms like bacteria and fungus. Bacteria and fungus and fungi also contain cell wall, and the cell wall of bacteria is called bacterial cell wall, and the cell wall of fungi is called fungal cell wall. Cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose. In higher plants, the cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose. Now, I will discuss about the function of cell wall. The first function of cell wall is it protects the cell. It means the cell wall in plants is protect the cell from any types of injury. Second, it provides cell to cell. The second function of cell wall is it provides cell to cell. So these are the two major functions of cell wall in plants, that it protects the cell from any types of injury, and second is it provides cell to cell. The next topic is vacuole. Vacuole is a cell organelle which is found in both plant cell and animal cell. So we can say that vacuole found in plant cell and animal cell both. In plant cell, the vacuole occupied 90% of cell volume. In plant cell, vacuole occupied 90% of cell volume. It means in plant the cell vacuole is large, but in case of animal cell the vacuole is small in size. Function of vacuole. The major function of vacuole is storage. It means vacuole store the plant material and waste material of cell also. So in plants, you know that it occupied 90% of cell volume, and the major function of cell vacuole is storage of materials including waste materials. Now the next topic is difference between plant cell and animal cell. First is that is plant cell, and second is animal cell. In plant cell, cell wall is present, and cell wall is a major characteristic of a plant cell, or presence of cell wall is a major characteristic of plant cell. But in case of animal cell, cell wall absent. Second, plastids are present in case of plant cell. Plastids are present, but in animal cell, plastids are absent. But there is one exception, that is plastids are found in Euglena, which is an animals. Due to this reason, Euglena is considered as connecting link between the plant and animals. And you know that due to the presence of plastids in Euglena, especially chloroplast, it can synthesize their own food from raw material, means by taking carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So due to this reason, Euglena show a special mode of nutrition which is called mixotropic mode of nutrition. The next difference is vacuole is large, or you can say in plant cell vacuoles are large, and you know that it occupied 90% of cell wall. But in case of animal cell, vacuoles are small in size. And you know the function of vacuole, that the major function of vacuole is storage. So in case of animal like in amoeba, vacuole store the food item, and due to this reason vacuoles are, in case of amoeba, is called food vacuoles. So these are the major differences between the plant cell and animal cell. In plant cell, cell wall is present, but in case of animal cell, cell wall is completely absent. In plant cell, plastids are present, and in case of animal cell, plastids are absent. In case of plant cell, vacuole is large, it means 90% of total cell value, and in case of animal cell, vacuoles are present but small in size. So these are the major differences or main differences between the plant cell and animal cell. In homework, you will revise about cell wall, the function of cell wall, vacuole and the function of vacuole, and difference between the plant cell and animal cell. Thank you.